Are you looking for the best Chinese electric scooters? In this video we will look at some of the best Chinese electric scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Ruima Mini 4 Pro. The Ruima Mini 4 Pro lacks the sleek edges and refined build of the TWOW scooter. In place of refinement, what you get is a built-to-be durable and rugged by all measures scooter. At first look, you can tell that it was made to last. You get a sturdy frame and an even beefier base. There's industrial-grade rubber covering each handlebar, and from the exposed screws and weld points, it's easy to see the level of gritty engineering that went into making this. However, I should note that this rugged build doesn't affect the finishing quality of the Mini 4 Pro. It's still a good-looking scooter by all means. Performance-wise, the Mini 4 Pro packs a 500 watts motor that can power it to range-topping speeds of 40 km/h. Ruima does limit the top speed of the Mini 4 Pro from the factory, but it can be unlocked to go the full 40 km/h using their app. Range is an impressive 25 km, and unlike many cheap scooters, the advertised range here is the real-world range. The only noticeable drawback in the performance of the Mini 4 Pro is that it uses a solid tire at the back instead of a pneumatic, inflatable tire, which is what you'd get in front. Inflatable tires are better for comfortability and ride quality, and although this scooter kinda makes up for it by having an active suspension system, it'd have been way better if the tire platform was all inflatable. Number 2, Ruima Folding E. The Ruima Foldable e-scooter is a finely crafted and simple in design scooter made for those who want an extremely lightweight scooter that's super easy to carry and use. When folded, it's almost like a walking stick, something you can easily carry along and deploy once needed. Build quality on this scooter is excellent. It's a refined scooter with exacting proportions and design features. There's no build bloat anywhere, and anything you see is a functional scooter part. Obviously, to keep this lightweight, Ruima has made some trade-offs. The minimal and simple build means this is not the e-scooter for anyone who's on the heavy side of the weighing scale. To keep the tire profile simple, they've also opted for dual solid tires, and that kinda drops the ride quality of this machine, although I won't worry much if you were using this on good, paved roads. There's the full complement of lighting and other extras on board, though. You get functional rear and handlebar mounted brake lights. It's literally plastered with reflectors on all sides, so this is an e-scooter you'll be comfortable with driving at night. There's a small but still effective display as well. Number 3, Mankeel MK-083. An electric scooter like this one can also be used in the rain, owing to its IP54 rating. If you're planning on taking steep routes, I wouldn't recommend this e-scooter. The maximum slope it can climb is about 15 degrees. I'd say it's rather an ideal vehicle for a fun stroll by the river banks. On the screen situated between the handles, you can see the gear, your riding speed, and the duration of the time it has been used since full charge. It takes about 5-6 hours to charge the 7800 mAh battery, and it will last you for just as long. You can speed up as high as 25 km/h even at night, thanks to the bright headlights and a red tail light that is activated upon braking. In fact, the braking system is designed to keep your scooter safe for 2-3 years. Its lightweight body of 12.5 kilograms makes it easy for you to fold quickly and take it on the stairs or public transportation without missing a beat. The seller on AliExpress guarantees that you don't have to pay import duties on this because it has already been paid for. Just make sure to order it from the CN. Even if you're in Europe, all of the Mankeel electric scooters ship from the EU warehouses. Number 4, TWOW GT Sport. The all-round completeness of the TWOW GT Sport makes it the AliExpress electric scooter to beat. From design to performance and everything else in between, this beautifully crafted scooter has much to love and very little to hate. You'll love the sleek design. A slender but sturdy sub-panel tapers off into an elegant handlebar, and together, that forms a robust and long enough stand frame to provide optimal support for your upper body. Down below, The similarly minimalist base is even sturdier to support your full body weight. There's a rubberized flooring for extra grip and a miniature parking lever for parking snappily. The overall minimal build of the GT Sport makes it an especially portable electric scooter. Once parked, you can easily fold it up and carry it on your way. Number 5. Mercane Pro. For the price and in terms of overall quality, very few e-scooters come close to the Mercane Pro on AliExpress. Its build oozes all shades of premium, and on the performance front, it's literally light years ahead of anything at this price. With the build, what Mercane has done is blend both form and functionality to create an e-scooter that looks nice without cutting corners. So you get an exquisite looking base platform with tapered off edges to save weight. The rear is seriously minimalist, and again, that's function plus form in that it looks great, and the minimalist design cuts weight. You get a pretty robust frame that blends into the wide body style of the scooter. This is a frame that's guaranteed to hold up pretty much any body weight class, and because it's robust, it fits into the overall design language of the Wide Wheel Pro. Again, form plus function.